All right, got to replace the trim on my BMW because as you can see, it's just flaking right off. So gonna get right into that. Bought this replacement seal, 16 feet, so I'm gonna have to cut the size, but first need a screwdriver, get all that crap out. All right, I'm about halfway there, but it's just coming off in little centimeter chunks. I'm gonna have to come back and get all that extra glue off and clean it up before I apply the new seal. All right, got the old trim off. Just gotta clean it up real good because there's still a lot of glue in there. A lot of glue. All right, I have it measured, cut to the size. There is a fatter side, which you want to have the fatter side on the windshield itself, shorter side on the metal. Now to install it, make an inch, peel it back about an inch so you can make your first stick, and then just peel it and separate it and stick it as you go down, and we'll see what it looks like when we're halfway there. All right, halfway there. Little squiggly, but this is my first time, so don't judge me. But it's actually pretty easy. Once you get a nice good system, it's pretty simple. All right, it's on, and I always did a little extra, so I'm just gonna trim that off, tuck it in, and yeah. All right, all installed. So now I'm just gonna use this paper towel to like push across and make sure it's all sealed properly. I don't want to use my hands because it's just kind of hard because it's rubber. Can't really push on rubber. I don't have one of those rolly tools. Bare minimum here. All right, all finished. Let me know if you think I did a decent job. Not bad for my first time, right? Compared to what it was.